deep in the rainforests of Papua New Guinea. A village chief, a warrior, a shaman, watches over his people even decades after death. But by 2008, his body was falling apart. His head, nearly severed. His spirit? Some believed, unsettled. In 2008, a team of researchers from North America braved treacherous roads and jungle terrain, not for treasure, not for fame, but to save a centuries-old tradition, and one sacred mummy. Meet Moimango, a respected leader of the Anga people, mummified not by chemicals or coffins, but by smoke. His body had been perched high on a cliff, watching over the village of Coke since the 1950s. But time had taken its toll, his jaw dislodged, his fingers decaying, his head drooping dangerously. To the Anga, this wasn't just a corpse. This was a bridge to the spirit world. Anthropologist Ronald Beckett, along with researcher Andrew Nelson, took on the delicate mission. But they didn't arrive with high-tech tools or fancy lab kits. Instead, they turned to the villagers, and to the jungle itself. The team asked, what materials can we use that you, the villagers, will still have access to after we leave? And the answer came in nature's own language. Tapa bark for support. Kumaka tree sap as glue. And suca, a crushed shell with the power of bleach, to fend off invading lichen. The mummification process itself is a feat of tradition and endurance, 30 days of smoke, drying the body inside specially built huts. It's not just coke. In the nearby village of Oiwa, other smoked mummies still rest, some used in cultural festivals. These ancestors are consulted, celebrated, and honored. But times are changing. Missionaries discouraged the practice in the 1950s. Today, younger generations are torn, some see it as superstition, others as cultural heritage, and some as a potential tourist draw. The mummies sit silently through the debate. The Anga don't believe in a heaven or hell. But they do believe that neglected spirits can wander the jungle, cursing crops, spoiling hunts, unsettling the village. To them, restoration isn't science, it's peacekeeping. Chief Moimango may never speak again. But thanks to a bond between worlds, of science and spirit, tradition and knowledge, his legacy remains perched above Coke, ever watchful. Would you visit a place where the ancestors still sit above the living? Where spirits are felt, not seen.